Welcome to Perfect Guardian, and I'll tell you about Vastu for multi-story buildings. In today's scenario, people are failing to get land for independent house, or those who has it either converting into multi-story building or flats due to the scarcity of place. Multi-story buildings can be anything from commercial place to official, but they can't construct it as per Vastu rules in all sense. Residential house can be easily be made with Vastu set of rules. While it's difficult to build multi-story building, Vastu comply due to different structure and less space. Builders usually utilize each and every nook to build a small space in multi-story, which is sometimes opposite to Vastu principles. Now Vastu complaint buildings prove to be successful and famous. However, due to dearth of space in multi-story buildings, it is difficult to have everything according to Vastu. But still, there are some basic Vastu rules pertaining to the infrastructure that can be followed up to discard or overcome negative effects that may arrive in multi-story building. Like, choose rectangular or square plot to construct multi-story building. Entrance of the building should be made in east or north. There should be much more space towards northeast, while your playground or lawn can be constructed to use the space properly. Northeast in multi-story building should be sloped, while southwest portion should be raised. Avoid planting huge trees just near the story building, but they can be planted at some distance. Avoid any obstruction in the entrance gate of multi-story building. Underwater tank or bore well should be constructed in northeast, while overhead tank can be built in southwest. Dumping room or storeroom for waste materials must be made in southwest. Toilets in multi-story building must be made in northwest or west. Bathroom can be constructed in northeast or northwest, but make sure the water drainage from bathroom is made in northeast. Rooms in multi-story building made facing east so that morning sunlight rays falls in the room. Stairs in the multi-story building must be made in south or west portion. Open patio or balcony must be given in east or north. So, Vastu construction of multi-story buildings involves a thorough analysis, like proper location of the flat regarding adjoining flats, the exterior and facing of the flat, the location of the beams, the direction of the intrust, the direction and placement of the windows, rooms, furniture, lift, overhead water tank, swimming pool, the direction and placement of the electrical equipment like generators, the direction and placement of the stairs. Thank you. So please subscribe to my channel Perfect Guardian and give your comments.